Good morning, traders. Nick Massandro, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring our daily market bias video for Thursday, June the 4th. It's approximately 4:30 or 4:35 a.m. in the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia traded mainly mixed, if you will, with about half the exchanges trading to the upside and the other half trading lower. Currently, right now in Europe, and it's currently ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the downside. Now, we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading down. It's been trading down pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is also trading down. There is no correlation between U.S. dollar and crude as of this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are also trading down. In fact, it looks as though the entire bond universe is falling off the side of a cliff. Indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to a lower open. And metals in terms of gold is trading lower, although quite frankly it's come off its lows. This is starting to climb, which would suggest that there is a fear factor dilemma in the precious metals markets today. In terms of economic news, we have in a docket for the U.S. markets. At 7:30 a.m. we have the Challenger job cuts. This is typical, usual, and customary for the day before non-farms payroll. And also at 8:30 we have unemployment claims. We also have revised non-farm productivity and labor unit costs. Again, because these are revised numbers, there's really not much weight behind them, so they're not necessarily considered to be major. And then at 10:30, typical, usual, customary for a Thursday, we have natural gas storage. And to top it all off at 12 noon, we have an FOMC member speaking. All in all, and this being said, our bias is neutral, and I'll explain to you why. Currencies, energies, and the bonds are all trading down right now. In theory, this should bode well for an upside day. The problem and dilemma that we're faced with is the futures are not following through. In other words, the futures are not following through in terms of going higher as opposed to where they're currently at right now, which is down. This would suggest to us that this is a very indecisive market, and therefore it could go in any direction, hence a neutral bias. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market, and any one of those economic reports that we talked about earlier could change and move market direction. So best course of action would be to wait till all the economic news comes out, judge market reaction to that accordingly, and then decide, long, short or long, etc. Or perhaps you stay out of it altogether. Certainly your choice. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.